CapCut always automatically updating latest version. New versions of CapCut are always ready to integrate great features for video creators. But to export video, you must have a Pro account, and it certainly has a fee. For some reason, there are many users who still choose to reuse the old version as you wish. While using the old version, you will encounter an error like this and you choose to upgrade. However, the reason is because you used the new version to open the file of the old version. Therefore, to use these files, it is required to use the newer version. One important reason: you should not open the old version file on the new version to ensure support for exporting 4K video files for free. For detailed steps to make this video demo, please refer to the description link. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it interesting and helpful, please like and share.